Hello friends, my name is Prashant Mishra. I am founder and CEO of Agripilot.ai. Due to some circumstances, I am not able to attend the session in New York, but here is a brief message about Agripilot and what we do. Thank you for understanding, and I hope to see you in the next event. Thanks. Agripilot.ai is a technology that was built in partnership with Microsoft, Oxford University, University of Washington, to empower the farmers to have a better life. The Agripilot is an AI-based systems that uses FarmVibe, FarmBeats, ADMA, the Microsoft Azure Data Manager, as a technology to avoid the guesswork from the farmers and use the science as a backbone of the system. So basically, we give from pre-plantation all the way to harvest period. So there are multiple stages of farming where AI technology can guide them step-by-step process on use of resources, soil preparation, understanding the basic things like NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and other elements of land and soil. Once you prepare it right, and it has to be right preparation, right seed, right moisture, right conditions, and that only science can tell. You can't just observe and imagine that. So the end goal by Agripilot is giving that kind of a AI intelligence, global level. We have looked at the data, which is like 30-40 years patterns, and AI is able to sort of conclude reasonably well on the ground truth. So we mix the ground truth and the AI data to come up with like a real situation step by step for all the 9 stages. Agripilot.ai with Microsoft Research and Microsoft Technologies in ADT Baramati is able to achieve 3 significant things which I want to talk about. Number 1, we are able to grow a sugarcane which is 20 to 40 feet tall using the AI technology, which was not possible at all. Second use case scenario that we saw here is we are able to grow exotic vegetables in greenhouses that India used to import a lot, like kale, strawberry, and lot of green leafy vegetables. These farmers are able to send those vegetables to 5-star hotels right growing from here, which is increasing their revenue almost 15 times compared to what they used to grow. And number 3 is we are using grafting technology where they are able to grow 2 dozens of tomato on the plant where brinjal is at the bottom. So it's called as bromato. Brinjal at the bottom, tomato on the top. And second technology is pomato, where we are able to grow underground potato and tomatoes on the top. So these are the 3 significant things. Without AI, it would not have been possible, which is helping us to not only increase the yield, farmers' wealth, but also it's a wonderful showcase of AI, Microsoft Research and AI that is out there.
But one of the other things is it's not just about the broad big companies that are, or startups that are doing it, but it's sort of the diffusion rate of this technology in India is what's exciting. So to that end, I just wanted you to see the video from the cooperative Baramati. Go ahead and roll out the video.
Agripilot.ai allows farmers to avoid guesswork and use science to give the ground truth to make the right decisions and make them successful.
In this project, we have selected 1,000 progressive farmers from across the Maharashtra. We have installed weather stations, sensors in the soil, and provided satellite support to all the farmers. We are collecting real-time data from the soil every day.
Agripilot.ai uses Microsoft Azure Data Manager for agriculture for making the decisions. It's running more than 20 plus algorithms that can lead to accurate results based on the historical pattern. Azure OpenAI allows the farmer to ask the questions in local languages, which can be delivered on their WhatsApp.
They are precisely using irrigation, fertigation, and pesticide practices in their farm.
म्हणजे पिकात डायरेक्ट आपल्याला लगेचच लक्षात येतं. पीक तर अगदी जोमानं आलेलं आहे. फुटव्यांची संख्या पण वाढलेली आहे आणि ह्याची रोपांची म्हणजे उंची पण वाढलेली आहे.
I mean, and to me, it sort of really connects all the dots, right? It sort of connects the dots between even all the technologies we have been building, right? From Azure IoT, the data connectivity back to a data plane, and then to be able to use something like Azure AI, but ultimately to empower a farmer to be able to do their farming with higher yields. That, I think, in some sense, speaks to the power of this technology and what we can do with it.